Paula Reid has been covering the Cohen case since it began, and she is here with me this morning. Paula, lots of questions. Let's get through them. If he weren't president of the United States, would Donald Trump have been indicted alongside Michael Cohen?
Very likely, yes, because federal prosecutors are alleging that he had personal involvement in the commission of a felony. So if they had evidence that he did it knowingly, willfully, then yes, it's likely he'd be charged.
Now that we know that the president of the United States was in the room when it was decided to pay off Stormy Daniels, what does that mean about the president's involvement?
It's further evidence that he had knowledge of these payments, that he likely directed these payments, and this was done in an effort to help his chances in the election. But Norah, my big question is, what else did they discuss in that meeting?
Kellyanne Conway says there's no proof that this was done in order to influence the election. Is that true?
Well, let's look at the timing here, right? The Daniels payment, that was done around the same time as the Access Hollywood tapes. It would appear that his decision to pay her at that time was part of an effort to prevent any more stories that could potentially do lethal damage to his chances in the election. It's all about timing.
Key question. Do we know, did the special counsel, Robert Mueller, ask President Trump if he knew about this payment to Stormy Daniels?
I asked one of the president's attorneys about this. I could not get an answer. They would not disclose. But Norah, this is his greatest vulnerability in the special counsel investigation.
If Donald Trump lied to Robert Mueller about his involvement with this payment and whether he knew about this payment, what would that mean?
That could potentially be referred to Congress for possible impeachment. It's not a crime to lie on Twitter. It's not a crime to lie to reporters on Air Force One. It is a crime to lie to federal investigators.
All right, Paula Reid, thank you.